Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing the Google Chooses My Makeup Challenge. The amazing Nikkie tutorials created this challenge, and it's literally where you put your first name initial and your last name initial into Google and you create a look based on the image, the first image that comes up in Google Images. So I've already searched this and this is the picture that I've come up with, and as you can see, it has yellow, it has black, it has grey, and it has like a little bit of blue. So I'm going to be using my Inglot palette to create this look, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to be using my trusty Inglot palette. It pretty much has all of the shades I'm going to need. Aside from the black, I'm going to use my sleek palette. So the white, I'm going to go in with this base, kind of like all over the lid. I've already primed, concealed, all of that good stuff. That's why my face looks so bright. Oh, my under eyes look so cracked, but it's because I've got so much powder on and it's the end of the day as well, because my under eyes never look like that. Okay, so now I'm going to set that white with the white that's in the sleek palette, but I'm only going to do it lightly. I'm not going to completely make it matte. I'm going to leave it with a little bit of stick. Now I'm going to use this grey shade here. I'm kind of going to go in to the crease. Oh, I like the way that that has blended out. I'm going to go in with that yellow that you saw on that palette, and I'm literally dabbing it right into the center. And do you see, it's kind of, that's why I left it kind of sticky, so that it will stick onto that base. I didn't want it to be too matte. I still wanted something for it to adhere to. Oh, this yellow is on point. Whoa, I like this. Thanks, Google. I absolutely adore that. Now I'm going to take this black here and I'm literally going to go on the very corner. Just dabbing it, but I'm bringing it in at the same time. And then back in with that yellow. Just blending it back. That is kind of cute. Oh, I like this, you know. Okay, but let me fix up this black. Now taking this blue here, I'm going to go right along that lower lash. And yes, I have cleaned up the edges. And I'm really just gonna smudge this out. And then I'm gonna go again with this black. I'm gonna kind of just go right on the lash line. Gives it more of a grungy kind of look. Now I'm gonna go in with my white eyeliner. See, this liner, it's not opaque enough. Black version of this is so wicked, but the white one, ugh. And I'm not going to take it all the way over. I'm kind of gonna just do like a half line. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let's not forget that this is the picture, and I've got the yellow. I used my white base. I'll use the grey, black, or the grey in the crease, the black on the edge, and I use that blue underneath my eyes. This one was pretty simple compared to others that I've seen, because others that I've seen, the colours are a little bit on the drab side. They haven't really been popping colours. Like, these are colours which definitely pop. The blue, in my opinion, just does not go with the yellow, but just for the sake of the challenge, I actually reckon that this turned out alright. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.